In today's video, I will be basically doing a overview or a rundown of what happened in yesterday's market. And if we look at it, resistance or daily resistance has found between 17,703 to 17,793 on the daily chart, which is on the left hand side of the screen, as well as we have the weekly chart where it it's just been going below that 703 level. Also, divergence is still active, that we have not broken the divergence on the daily chart, and it is still there. But also be in mind we are in a uptrend as well, and today was a sideways market because of earnings. That's another major factor. And in order to start shorting, I want to see the daily below the fast moving average and the 60-minute back below the moving average ahead. So if we look at the 60-minute, I want it below the fast moving average and below all the moving averages. On the daily, I want it below the fast moving average. This is today's, the 26th. I'm talking about yesterday, but as you can see, it's still holding between the fast moving average. So for the daily to be below the fast moving average, as you see, we'll have a lot of room coming down. On the 1 hour, want it below the moving average, all of them, especially this blue moving average line. And I can show you a good short that could have been taken yesterday, which is on the 5-minute at the crossovers. You had it close below, we had it retest, could have entered here, and it just trended downwards. Same thing with the 2-minute, and same thing with the 1-minute. And yeah, that's basically it. The divergence is still in play, but we are also in an uptrend, so it's kind of like 50-50 on shorts and longs. But I just said in order to short, I want the daily below the fast moving average and the 60-minute below all the moving averages. So technically we still be looking for longs, but until those two signals hit, then we should start looking for shorts, but that won't be for a while. And yeah, that's basically it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.